Emakhosini ngiyanamukela kulwami ubizo, right? So namhlanje ngifuna ukunifundisa abantwana bethongo amazinyo abalekile ngendlela eyisimanga, right? Especially esintwini njengomntana wobizo. But disclaimer, mawunenkinga yamazinyo, go get yourself checked out. Not everything is spiritual. Go to the dentist, figure out ukuthi don't you have cavities, akufanelanga ukhipha izinyo, alibolanga alenzanga nix. So mawumntana wedlozi uba umuntu onenkinga yamazinyo, your gums will be painful. Jesu Kristu, I don't know how to say it, but now masizi maphupheni uthi mina gogo ngiphupha amazinyo aphuma. Okay, mawuphupha amazinyo akho aphuma, amadlozi afuna ukukubonisa ukuthi there's a new birth, something iyazaleka, right? It can be it's your spiritual awakening. It can be ukuthi there's a gift ezalekayo ephakamayo, right? Bakubonisa ngani ukuthi remember mawuyingane encane, you've got amazinyo asebuncaneni bakho where you are young. That's your like milk, whatever, teething, whatever, usasemncane. But now in order for you to ukuthi ukwazi manje ukudla inyama, ukwazi ukuthi manje amazinyo akhaqine, then bakubonisa ngokuthi okay, ubuyingane, you were still carrying this baby, you were still carrying this gift with you. Njengoba amazinyo akho aphuma, it's because kuzaleka noma kuzoqhamuka amanye amazinyo akhulile aqinile azokwazi ukuthi adle inyama ube ibhubesi. Now the stage between uphuma amazinyo and uzaleka amazinyo, there's pain. Uyokhala ngezinyo libe buhlungu, nanoma liphuma izinyo aliphumi kamnandi, liphuma kabuhlungu, meaning kunezinto ozohlangabezana nazo that they have ukuthi ziqinise wena njengomntana wedlozi, zikupha amandla. Those things mazenzeka uzuzwa ubuhlungu, uzibuza ukuthi kodwa why mina, kanti awazi ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi unikezwa amandla amasha. Okay gogo, mina ngiphupha amazinyo ami abolile. What happens? Mawuphupha amazinyo akho abolile, bayakubonisa abantu abadala ukuthi gada ilimi lakho, umlomo wakho ongcolile, you don't speak life, umuntu othukanayo, umuntu usheshe ukukhulume, uhlaza. Remember mawuphupha abantu abadala, they are showing you your life ngephupho. But obviously akusiyo yonke into eqhamuka straightforward as it is. You have to now decode the dream and try to understand ukuthi what are they trying to say to you. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Ngiyanithanda, ningakhohlwa, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Emakhosini lesedi khanya qama konda uwe share.